Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds 2 on a laptop. First, you will need an Android emulator, which is software that allows your computer to run mobile applications. Popular choices include BlueStacks and Nox Player, both known for their stability and performance. Make sure to download the emulator directly from its official website to ensure you get a safe and legitimate version. This is the crucial first step to bringing the fun of Angry Birds 2 to your desktop. Once downloaded, find the installer file, usually in your Downloads folder, and double-click it to start the installation. The setup wizard will guide you through a few simple steps. Just follow the instructions carefully. After installation, you will need to sign in with your Google account. This step is essential as it grants you full access to the Google Play Store, where you will find Angry Birds 2. Now that your emulator is ready, open the Google Play Store from its home screen. Use the search bar at the top to find Angry Birds 2. Once you locate the game, simply click the Install button. The emulator will then download and automatically set up the game for you, just as it would on a mobile device. This process usually takes only a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. With Angry Birds 2 installed, you can now launch it directly from the emulator's home screen. The controls are intuitive. You will primarily use your mouse to aim your slingshot and launch your birds. Some emulators also offer customizable keyboard shortcuts, which can provide more precise control and a smoother gaming experience. Get ready to knock down those pig structures and enjoy the game on a much larger screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.